Okay guys, so as you can see, I already have my base done, so I'm just gonna jump right into the eyes. Okay, so for this look, I'm gonna be using these two palettes right here. They're very colorful palettes, and I'm mostly gonna be focusing on the pinks in each one of the palettes. So going in with Kai Kai, this shade right here, I'm gonna be putting it all over my crease. I already put concealer on my crease, so yeah. Now to intensify that pink, I'm going to be taking my BH Cosmetics Take Me to Brazil palette. I'm going to be taking this color right here. Now without adding any more product, I'm now going to blend it all over the crease. Now the same thing to the other eye. Now bringing it all across again. Okay, now taking a blending brush, I'm now going to blend. Okay, so now I'm gonna go back and repeat the whole thing again. I'm gonna start again with the Kai Kai from the Mani palette, and then go back with the shade from Take Me to Brazil. Once again, deepen up my outer corners. Now I'm going to blend. So basically repeating the same steps until you're satisfied with how it looks. So now I'm going to be taking some concealer to cut out my crease. I'm going to look straight forward and see where my eye opens so I can cut the crease from there. Okay, so you see I made another line up there. So from there I'm going to cut the crease. Okay, now that I cut my crease, I'm not going to be taking this palette by Alamar Cosmetics. I'm going to be taking this shade right here as La Costa. I love using this shade as my highlighter, and it works wonders. It's one of my favorite highlighters. Well, it's not a highlighter, it's an eyeshadow, but I use it mostly as a highlighter. Okay, so I wet my brush and I'm going to be putting it where I put the concealer. I'm taking a Morphe M124 brush. It's just a really flat brush to apply this. Okay, so now I'm taking my ring finger to go over that. I feel like it's going to give it a better application. Yeah, the color is popping out more now. Guys, sometimes you don't even need brushes. Like, you got your own tools with you. So now getting a very skinny brush, I'm gonna go back with that pink, and I'm gonna go over that crease that I cut with the pink shade. Just like that, I went over it. As you can see, now the line is more defined. Okay, so now that I did that, now I'm gonna go over with the Urban Decay Heavy Metal in the shade Midnight Cowboy, and now I'm gonna line my crease with this golden glitter. So now that I put the glitter liner on my crease, I'm gonna do my wing liner off camera. Okay, so now that I did my wing liner, now I'm gonna go and do my lower lash. So going with Kiki from the Manny palette, I'm gonna be doing my lower lash. Now going back with the Take Me to Brazil palette, I'm gonna be applying that darker pink on my outer lower lash, just on the outer part. The same thing I did with the top, I'm gonna be doing with the bottom. Okay, now that that's done, I'm gonna be taking this Marc Jacobs liner and I'm gonna be applying it on my waterline. Okay guys, for my inner corner highlight, I'm going to be taking this shade right here, Nylon from MAC. If you've been following me for a while, you know that I use this for everything. I love this shade as a highlighter, as my inner corner, everything. I sometimes use it as my highlighter. Today I didn't. Today I wore the Alamar one. But look, just so you guys can see, a little bit goes a long way. You see that? I really suggest you guys to hop on them and try them out to see how you like them. I'm going to be taking the Slim Thick. This is what they look like. This is the back. Oh my god, can you guys see the difference? Look at this eye, how glam. And then this one is just... Okay guys, now that they're on, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna do my lip combo. I'm gonna be taking these as my lip combo. So I'm first gonna be using ColourPop. What's the name of this? Oh, this is a collaboration with I Love Sahari. This is 951. Okay guys, now that I overlined my lips, now I'm going to be taking ColourPop Track. Lastly, I'm going to be using the Buxom lip gloss in the shade Dolly. This is optional. If you guys want the lip to stay matte, then just leave it at track. But if you want a bit of gloss, then add the Buxom. Guys, I love these lashes. Now I'm going to be taking the Anastasia Dewy Set Spray. I love this thing. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I love you guys. Bye.